In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A15 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Samsung. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access themes. Now click on themes at the bottom left corner. Tap on the best one for you. Click on one of those options or select top. You can even tap on this loop at the top right corner, type in wherever you want to, and this way locate the best theme. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hit download at the bottom. Select apply and wait. If you wish to go back to your default theme, you can always access the same theme settings. But this time select menu at the bottom right corner and tap on My Stuff at the top. Then click on Default Theme and hit Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!